How to know if someone has unadded or unfriended you on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will guide you on how you can know if someone has unfriended you or deleted you from Snapchat. So open up your Snapchat and go to your text by tapping on the text icon that you can find on the bottom of your screen. Here you'll find the list of friends and snaps that you have sent and received as a text history. So how will you know if anyone has unfriended you or texted you? So out of all the text history, you can see a particular cross option on the right hand side of my screen. It denotes that the person is no longer friend with me, and as you open his or her profile, you can see it will show the option of add as a friend so that they can see your story. It means that the person has unfriended you or deleted you from Snapchat. This way you can know if anyone has deleted you on Snapchat, and comment down if you have any further issues.